A dental implant is like a screw, and this screw is screwed into your jawbone, and once it is screwed into your jawbone, it actually sits in very tightly or very well. And once it is integrated or healed into the jawbone, then you can put in a tooth that goes onto the implant, something like this. There are usually about 3 options when deciding to replace a missing tooth. You've got the implant, the denture, or the bridge. So why would you want to use either of these options? So a denture is a removable option. If you compare it with an implant is actually fixed. That means it actually is screwed into your bone. Where a denture is removable, we sometimes have the problem of the denture falling out, or the problem of you always having to take it out to clean it, and the problem of food getting stuck in between the denture, and the problem of speaking as well, whereas the implant stays in its position all the time. The other option is the bridge. The bridge is a fixed option, like a implant. It stays in the mouth, you don't actually take it out. A bridge, however, actually requires you to adjust the 2 teeth next to it. So this is an example where when to put a bridge on, you have to actually adjust the 2 teeth next to it so that it becomes like a funnel, so that you can actually force your bridge on top of it, and this bridge attaches to the missing tooth. So what's the problem with this one? So the problem is that because you have to adjust the 2 teeth next to it, it can potentially cause these 2 teeth to have further trouble because of all the adjustments that we have to do onto the teeth next to it. So that's why instead of doing these, we consider the implant, where the implant is a tooth by itself, or an option where we restore the missing tooth by itself, where we don't actually affect the other 2 teeth next to it, and it is not an option where it actually comes in and out. So once we put the tooth in, it stays in, and it functions as a normal tooth. In the end, everyone is different, and everyone is given the choice, and we will support you in whatever decision you make, as long as you know the pros and cons and you know what your options are.